Magandang araw, Aries reading po tayo for the year 2026. Advanced reading for Aries for the year 2026. Year of the Fire Horse. And your first card is the Devil. The universe is telling you or urging you to break free from materialism and unhealthy dependency. Alam ko, Aries, na you know that you are I know that you know that you are very much attached to material things, Aries. And these habits and obsession of yours is not helping you at all. So the universe is telling you you have to detach. And your second card is Judgment. For the year 2026, I think you're being awakened. Be ready, Aries. For the year 2026, I think you are starting your spiritual awakening. You will have this impulse to know the deeper meaning of life. And your third card is the Three of Swords. Yes, because of the heartbreak, sorrows, and yung mga painful truths na na-endure mo sa buhay mo, tingin ko yun yung nag-trigger for the awakening. And your fourth card is the Hermit. A phase of introspection. Ito na nga, Aries. You are truly seeking a deeper meaning in your life. You are starting your spiritual awakening, and when you start, there is no going back. Aries, you are very lucky kasi not everyone is being called and given a chance to have their spiritual awakening. And spiritual awakening is not a joke. Just like the Bible said, many are called but few are chosen. Yung ibang mga Aries, I know na tatalima kayo sa calling, and it will be not easy, I'm telling you, but the reward is good. We are born powerful, but once you awaken, you will be much more than you think you are. And your fifth card is